Anna Maria Island has some of the most beautiful beaches in Florida, and today I'm taking you to Bean Point. Located at the northernmost tip of the island, it's a picture-perfect paradise. No rentals here, so I brought my own beach gear. Ooh, I see we have some other nice setups on the beach. Ooh, I really like that one. So retro, colorful. Let's pull up that graphic to show these lovely people what's not offered at the beach. You also need to know that parking is extremely scarce, so get to the point early. Just couldn't help myself. Being right on the tip of the island really does make you feel like you are in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico. These panoramic ocean views of Tampa Bay are everything.
I'm here with my family today visiting from Canada. We chose Anna Maria Island because it's pretty secluded, not a lot of crowds, and nice white sand beaches.
Oh, look at this guy. I didn't know backpack fishing was a thing. Looks like fun. Whoa, you can see the Skyway Bridge from up here. These ladies look fun. Let's see what they think about Bean Point.
I'm a snowbird. I have a house in Bradenton, and we come to Anna Maria Island all the time. So I'm a snob. I'm a beach snob. So that's why I come to Anna Maria Island.
We've been to other beaches in Florida, but this is our first time here, and it's amazing.
It's time to sunbathe. Don't worry, folks. I have applied more sunscreen. This sugar white sand is so soft. Officially in Do Not Disturb mode. Just kidding. It's our accommodations. It's been real, Bean Point, but it's time to check in.